Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to file your taxes on FreeTaxUSA. Start by gathering W-2s 1099 and last year's return, then create or sign into your FreeTaxUSA account. Choose your filing status, enter income and deductions, and use the guided interview prompts. Double-check your social security numbers and bank routing for direct deposit, save often, and preview your return before submitting for a smoother filing experience. When entering forms on FreeTaxUSA, add Form 1099 entries exactly as shown on your forms to avoid errors. Report freelance or contractor income on 1099 NEC and track business expenses to lower taxable profit. Enter mortgage interest and student loan interest under deductions and use the deduction finder to compare standard deduction versus itemizing. Review each screen, correct mismatches, and save progress before moving to credits and payments to reduce mistakes. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support more tax tips and tutorials. Quick recommendation: the Oala water bottle keeps you hydrated during long filing sessions and fits most cup holders, which helps when you're juggling forms and coffee. Check the description for the product link and other deals to grab one if you want. Thanks for the support, and now let's get back to the video. After income entry, check credits and deductions that lower tax, such as earned income credit and child tax credit if eligible. Use FreeTaxUSA's review tool to find missing forms, inconsistent amounts, and common errors before you file. Confirm dependents and confirm bank routing and account numbers if you choose direct deposit for your refund. Finally, authorize e-file, keep a saved copy, and note your confirmation number for future reference and peace of mind.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.